In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce noise in Audacity. Now, as you can see, I'm currently recording my voice, so I'll be able to show you as a sample later in the video. Now, this requires two steps, and it's very simple. The first thing you want to do is find a space where you're not talking. So in my case, you can see over here, there's a little bit of audio where I was not saying anything, okay? Then you just select this little piece of audio where there's usually noise. I don't have much noise in the background, as you can see, but there's still a little if you scroll all the way in there, and we want to reduce that, okay? So we select it, go to Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, Noise Reduction, and then the first step is to get the noise profile. So we've already selected where the noise is located, and then you just click Get Noise Profile. So the first step is now done. The second one is to select the entire audio clip we've just recorded with Ctrl+A, then going to the effects again, clicking Noise Removal and Repair, going to Noise Reduction, and then you have this step 2 down here. Now there are three options you can play around with if you want to, but I usually just keep them at a default on 6, 6, and 6, since I think it honestly works just fine. But if it doesn't work just fine for you, you can play around and maybe tweak this a little and see how it works out for you. Now once that's done and everything's selected, you just press OK, and you probably saw that those little frequencies shrinked a little, and those noises that we've before seen became much smaller. And in case of any bigger noises in the background, you'll notice that those are also gone. Now in my case, there wasn't much of a change, but if you do it yourself and try to record some noise in the background and then do what I just showed you, you'll see that the noise has been removed very well.